Good morning, students. How are you all? Listen. Today I am going to class 10. That is pair of linear equation in two variables. That is for chapter. That is for algebra part. The last topic I taught that constructions. Two topics I have done. That is for construction. And one more chapter is that is for triangle. That is the both chapters are in that is for geometry part. And this is I am going to explain that is for pair of linear equation in two variables. So very easy method is there. Already you have studied in the 9th standard. In the earlier portions will be there. That is for elimination method and substitution method. But in this, so three methods will be there. That is for linear method. That is for elimination method and substitution method. And another one is cross multiplication. And some problems are there in that graphically. So let us start on that. So I will explain all those things in that. So what do you mean by equation? First of all, you are studying in the 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard. Can you explain me that? Can you understand that? What do you mean by equation? Equation is the statement of equality. For example, we have to balance the LHS pattern. For example, assume Ax plus b or Ax plus c is equal to A is there. And so it is given Ax plus c. X is 1 and A is equal to 4, or you can take 5 and C is equal to C is 5 and A value will be there 3. Remember, if you put in that, say A is 3 into X is 1 plus C is 5, then that is 8. 3 1 3 plus 5, that is 8. This is 8 here, and the both equation will be balanced. 8 is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So equations should be balanced like that. The answer is getting equal to, then we call it as this is the equation, right? And now that is for linear equation. What do you mean by linear equation? An equation involving variables whose highest degree is 1. Whose highest degree is 1. For example, that is given Ax to x plus c is equal to 0 and x is not equal to 0. We have to take. So here linear means single term. Linear means what? Single term. Linear equation. Linear means single term. Remember, you take 2x plus y is equal to 8. This is also linear equation because x to the power of 1 is there. There is no value. We have to remember there is a 1. Y is also 1. So here also 2x plus 3 is equal to 8. Like that is there. This is also linear equations, right? So here 5x plus 9 is equal to 0, or we can take any variable x to the power of 0, x to the power of degree is 1. Then we call it as this is a linear equation. The degree is power is degree or power is 1, then we call it as a linear equation. Linear is nothing but single. Linear is nothing but single. Understood? Okay. Now I am going to explain simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. What do you mean by simultaneous linear equation? Two linear equations are two variables. Two linear equations are two variables are taken together how to solve. Linear equations, for example, x plus y is equal to 8. This is one linear equation, right? These are asking two linear equations and two variables. These are the two variables. X and y are the two variables. Are two linear equations, two linear equations. Just a 3x plus 4y is equal to, this is equation 2. These are the linear equations only, but front number you don't go through like that. But power is 1. Power is 1. X to the power of two variables we are taking x and y. Or you can take here. You can take ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is also one linear equation, right? So we can take ax1 plus by1 plus c1 is equal to 0. This is also one linear equations. These are the linear equations. Why? Because two linear equations are to solve. Two variables, two linear equations and two variables. These are the two variables. We are taken together are to solve. They are taken together and we solve. That is nothing but simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Now here I am going to explain this first exercise, that is 3.1 in this chapter. That is very simple, it will be there. So I will not write the questions on the board. I will tell orally and I will explain the sums on the board. Right? So if I write the question, it will take more space. Right? The more the whole board will cover here. So according to the lengthy questions are there and solution I will explain. Even through we have to solve in a that I will tell you that. Listen. Exercise 3.1, that is for chapter pair of linear equation in two variables. The first question I am going to explain. Listen carefully, and you can take your textbooks. You can copy. Even I will send the notes also. You can copy from the notes. Understood? So here, Aftab tells first one. The Aftab tells his daughter. Listen. Aftab tells his daughter 7 years ago. 7 years ago, I was 7 times. He's saying, Aftab is saying to her daughter, I was 7 times as old as you. 7 times he is old with her daughter, right? And with them were also 3 times now, also 3 times from now, 3 times from now, I shall be 3 times, 3 years from now. Say also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you. 3 times old as you. Now, present. Okay. Isn't it? This interesting. Represent this situation in algebraically and graphically also. Both methods we have to solve. Right? So here, now, what we have to take? First of all, we don't know the Aftab age and his daughter age. Let Aftab age be, that is X years, and daughter's age be 1 years. 1 years. Right? First he has given what he has told. He has told 7 years ago. That is 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Right? Now, first is after x minus 7. Right? Is equal to her daughter 7 times. 7 times her daughter also 7 years. 7 times 7 years. Right? 7 years ago, 7 times 7 years ago with her daughter also. That is y minus x 7 times. Right? After that, x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y, 7y, minus into plus, minus into minus, 7 7 are 49. After that, we have to rearrange here. This we have to take x minus 7y. This 7 will take this side, it will become minus side. Is equal to, is we have taken equal to, so minus 49 should be as it is, and this minus 7 if I transpose it becomes plus 7. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 49 plus 7 is minus 42. This is the first equation we got it from that. That is for, this is the, sorry, no need to put, this is equation 1. After that, he told, what he has told? 7 times as shown, and after also 3 years. Also after 3 years. What is asking? After 3 years. Is saying after 3 years. After 3 years, after told, I am 3 years older than you. plus into plus only. 3 3s are 9. Then we have to substitute the value. I will write here only. See here, x plus 3. This I will take this side and the value I will transpose this side. X minus 3y is equal to plus 9 and minus 3. Then x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3 is 6. This is equation. This we got the equation 2x minus 3y. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. According to the simultaneous linear equation, we got linear equation, 2 linear equations. This is in algebraic form. We have solved. Now we have to solve in graphically, right? So we have to solve in graphically. I will put equation 1 and 2 here only, and I will show the graphically also, and I should make the table also. The 2 tables we have to make, right? So I will stop that. Now I have taken in a graphically method the first sum only. We are solving the previous, that is for algebraic method. Now in graphically method. So first equation is given. We got in that x minus 7y is equal to minus 2, 42. Right? After that, second equation is given, that is for x minus 3y is equal to 6. That is equation 2. First equation 1, x value and y value we have to put. If you take x value, what we have to take the x value or y value? So we have to make y. See here. If in this equation x minus 7 y is equal to, if I take 0, what we will get? We will get 42. If they take x is equal to 0, what we will get? If x is equal to, if I say put 0, x minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Right? If I take 0, x is equal to x value we are taken here 0. Understood? X value I will put here 0. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42. There is no value. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42 left. Minus set get cancelled in equal to, and the product value, there is no sign between 7 and y. The product value, if I transpose here, the denominator, 42 divided by 7. 7 1 plus 7 6 are 42. What is the value of y we got? That is y is equal to 6. Right? We are able to write here. Similarly, I should solve like that only. So we have to, shall I write that one? I will write here only. So similarly, what we have to take in the second value in that. So what we should take here. So I can take a y value or 7, or we can take 7 value. 7 7 are 49. So minus 49, if I transpose this at 749. Okay, x value I will take minus 7. So here you see x y value. X also we will take minus 7. See here, minus 7 and minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Minus 7, if I transpose this side, there is a sign between. Minus 7y is equal to minus 42 plus 7. Right? This, if I transpose this side, it will become minus 7. Minus 7 is equal to, so minus 42 minus how much? 7 6 are 42, 7 5 are 35. We can take minus 35. If I subtract this, 42 minus 7 is, we will get 35. Minus 10 and minus 10 get cancelled. So y is equal to 35 divided by 7. That cancel. 7 1 are 7 5 are 35. And y is equal to the what? That is 5. We can put 5. Understood? And after that, if I take 7 plus 7 in that x value plus 7, so this is taken, I have minus 7. I will take x 7. What you will get? That is also I will explain here. So what is the equation? X minus 7y is equal to minus 2. Any 2 or 3 value we can find in the enough. Okay. X we can take by itself. We have to take thing cancel, but we are taking x is 7. 7 minus 7y is equal to minus 42. Plus 7, if I transpose this side, it will become minus sign. That is minus 2 minus 7. This plus 7, if I transpose this side, it will become minus 7. So minus 7y is equal to minus 42 and 7 49. This becomes 49. And after that, minus sign and minus sign get cancelled. Y is equal to 49 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7 7s are 49. And y is also we got plus 7. This is also we got plus 7. Did you got understood? So here, what is the value of that? We got 7. Right? After that, this value I will take here only. And so here you see, Better I should take here only and I can explain here also. Okay, I will do the graph. So what the second equation what we have to write in that second equation. See, x minus 3y is equal to 6 will be there. X minus 3y is equal to 6 will be there. What we have to take the value x is equal to 0 means we can take it 0. If I take x is equal to 0, what we will get? See, x is 0 minus 3y is equal to 6. So 0 we will drop it and y is equal to 6 divided by minus 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are and y is equal to be what? Minus 2 because minus sign will be minus 2 over plus is minus 2. That is minus 2. Right? After that, I will tell you that, and after that, if I take, so again, x value we have to take 0 we are taken, then what we got the value of that is, now I can take 6 also, we can take 6 also. What is the value of x minus 3y is equal to 6? We can think and take itself nearer to that, the value should substitute. If I take x value, 6 value, 6, if I transpose that, it will become minus sign. And minus 6 means 0 it will get, right? That is 6 is 0 will get. So if I take 6 here, we can take any number. 3 also we can take, no problem. So 3 minus 3. So we can take 3, no problem. 3 minus 3y is equal to 6, right? And after that, what I should take? This 3 if I transpose this side, it will become minus sign. Minus 3y is equal to minus 6, plus 6 minus 3. This plus 3 if I transpose this side, it will become minus sign. After that, minus 3y, 6 minus 3, directly I write. Y is equal to, minus 6 minus 3 is 3. The product is value transpose to minus sign. 3 ones are 3 ones are. And y is equal to minus 1. Y is also minus 1 we are getting here. After that, if I take 6, here I will only x minus 3y is equal to 6. If I take 6, 6 minus 3y, x is equal to, I will take 6. 3y is equal to 6 and minus 3y is equal to 6 minus 6 is 6. If I transpose this, it will become minus 7. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and y is equal to 0 divided by minus 3. That is y is equal to 0. That is 0. We got the 3 value in that. So we can take, easily we can take, now I can make it go. You have seen the both box in that. So what is the maximum value will be there in that box? X value is minus 7 will be there and plus 7 will be there. And x value, that is, it is left side graphically, and y value is maximum minus 7, plus 7 is there, and even minus 2 or minus 1, right? So I will draw the line. Each centimeter we have to take it draw, and here I will draw the line. So better we can draw. I will put this value graphically here. This value I will put here. Second equation. Sorry. X minus 3y is equal to 6. And this box I will put down here better. That is x. This is y. This is 0 and minus 2. This is 3 and minus 1. And 6 is 0. Right? So I can drop here only. I can do the nicely. We can do the graph properly. Right? So listen here. So here I will take, and the center I will take, that is center is 0. Each centimeter, 1 centimeter you have to take a scale, right? 1 centimeter you have to take and mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is x-axis. This is each centimeter we have to take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, enough, minus 5. Because maximum y value, y dash is, y value will be there minus 6, minus sign is only 1 and 2 is there. Here we can take, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is y. This is y value and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. This is x dash. See, I have drawn the maximum value of x-axis plus 7. Maximum is plus 7. Y value plus value is maximum 7. right? Maximum 7. In that x value positive, all positive will be there, maximum is 6. And the y value is negative is there, and y value is negative signs are there, that is negative is minus 1, 2, that's it. Right? According to the first box, x is 0, x is 0, y is where? X is 0, this is x axis, this is x axis, x is 0, y where it will transpose? 6, put it star, right? Put it star. Okay, that is first x is 0 and y is 6. Second one, x is minus 7, x axis, see x axis minus 7, and y where it was going? Positive 5. Positive 5 is opposite, let's see, dotted line, this is right here, it was coming, that's star I put. After that, so and x is plus 7, x is plus 7, x axis is plus 7, and this is also plus 7. This there is plus 7 in the opposite of that. See? Dotted line. No need to draw the dotted line, just for algebra I am going to explain you. Just you have to understand that graphical method. So after that, I have to draw the line from straight. And the point, what the point we have taken, that is 7, 7, right? And 0, 6, 0, 6. This minus 7, 5. These are the first graph, that is for box I have done. And the second one, second box, see here, I will draw. X is 0 and y is minus 2. X is 0. Y is minus value, see, this is plus value y, this is minus value. I put it star. And x is 3, x axis is plus 3, and y is minus 1. Minus 1 is here only, see minus 1 y. Here, see that dots? That is okay. After that, and x is 6, x is plus 6, and y is 0. Not increasing, y is centered here only. So we can not increase on y negative or positive, only on the end of the baseline, right? So I should draw the line. See, this is the line. This is the value of first one is x is 0 and y is minus 2, and second one is x is 3, x is 3 and y is minus 1, and third point, what is the value? That is x is 6 and y is 0. These are the points. This is the graphical method I have drawn and shown. Even I will tell you, I will explain, I will send you the notes also. You can easily method, we can find out easily I have done. You can understand all those things on the points. Okay? See that. So now I am going to explain the second question. Listen me first. The coach of a cricket coach, he is one of the cricket coach team, buys the cricket coach, the coach of the cricket team, he buys 3 bats and 6 balls. 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Right? Total number of 3 bats and 6 balls together they brought 3,900. Right? Later she buys another bat. After that, she buys, she is one of the lady of that, she another bat and another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat means only 1 bat. After that, right, 1 bat and 3 balls more for rupees, they given of that 1,300. 1 bat and 3 balls, 1,300. Represent in this situation in algebraically and geometrically. Okay, geographically. Okay, first one. First of all, we don't know the cost of 1 bat, right? They brought 3 bats and 6 balls, right? The first cost of 1 bat be rupees X. We don't know the first bat. And cost of each ball is equal to, we don't know the each ball rupees. Cost of each ball is Y, rupees Y, right? They brought 3 bats, 3 into X, bats are X rupees, don't know, 3 bats and 6 balls. Each balls don't know. Total number of rupees they paid 3,900. That is question 1. Algebraically. After that, they got buy one bag, X bag, one bag, and 3 balls is equal to the given paid in that 1,300 rupees, right? Though we got the equation 1 and 2 in the algebraically. Now we have to find in graphically we have to find. So the first equation I have taken, that is 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, and the x value and y value. Similarly, I have taken the second equation, x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. This is second equation, x value and y value. So in that, listen, 3x plus 6y is equal to 300. I can take the x value is 100 here. I can put here, see, 3x plus 6y is equal to 2,900. If I take x value is 100, if I put x is 100, 3 into 100 plus 6y is equal to 3,900. 3 into 100 is 300 plus 6y is equal to 3,900. After that, there is a sign between this value and this value, plus sign. Below the plus value, if I transpose this side, it becomes minus sign 300. After that, 600 is 6y is equal to 3,900 minus 300 is 3,600. There is no sign in between plus and minus, then in the 6 and y, the product value, where I should transpose? We should transpose to the denominator 6. 6 ones are this value becomes denominator, right? 6 ones are 6 6 are 36, 6 zeros are 0, and 6 zeros are 0. And what the value of y is 600, right? This like that we have to solve in the working column. This type of we have to solve and we have to put. Her first x is we have taken 100, and what is the value of y we are getting from that? Through 100 we are taken in the x, and the y is 600. Similarly, we have to keep in that it depends on us. But 3,900 maximum value will be there. That's why I have taken that 100, right? And similarly, I will take this x value. I should take 900. What will we get? We will get a value of, we have to solve x value. I take 900 here and put this 3 9 are 27. I put here 100. I have taken 900. I have taken so 2,700. After that, if I subtract this, see, so this minus this, 9 minus 7 is 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we can easily find out 1,200 divided by 6. 6 1 are 6 2 are 1, 6 2 zeros are 0, and 6 zeros are 0. And what is y value? Y is 200, right? I can put that is 200. We got this like that. And similarly, the second 700, I am taking the x value. The value I put directly, I did not solve. Only 1 or 2 solves I am showing you that we will get, that is 300. Now I am coming to the second equation. That can we have to solve. So that second equation I will take very simple. Now the third one, what I have to take? So 3x plus 6y. Second one is over. We got 900. That is for 200. We are taken. Now what we have to take is the x value. What we have to take? Now we have to take the value of 7. 900 taken 700. 3 into 700 plus 6y is equal to 300. Right? 3 7 are 21 plus 6y is equal to 300. After that, 6y is equal to the plus value will be there. We have to subtract 7. We have to transpose this side 21. So y is equal to denominator I will take 6. I will transpose this side. After that, 39 9 minus 0 minus 0 0 0 minus 0 0. And after that, 319. What we have taken the value of x? So we have to take 0 minus 0. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 3 minus 2 is 1. 1800. 6 1 is 6 3 is 18. 6 0 is 0. What we are getting? We are taken the value of x is what? X is we are taken 700, and the y value we are getting, that is for y is equal to what? That is for 300. Right? Y is 300. Right? Now you can put that. Now I should do the second part of the graph. That second part of the second equation we have today. X plus 3y is equal to 1300. X plus 3y is equal to 1300. So I will do there also. Easily I can solve. First, what we have to take the x value? We have to take x value 100. 100 we can take. Right. 100 means 1200 divided by 3 we can cancel. X is 100. X is we have to take 100. Now x is 100 plus 3y is equal to 1300. 100 if I transpose this side, 3y is equal to 1300 minus 100. That is 13 minus 100. 300 minus 1300 minus 100 is 1200. And divided by 3 I will take down. 3 1 are 3 4 are 12. 3 0 are 0. 3 0 are 0. And y is equal to 400. We got x is we are taken 100 and y value we got a when we solve, that is 400. Next what we have to take? Next 100 we are taken. Now we can take still what number we have to take? So we can take 400. Yeah. 900 it will come. 1300 minus 400 it is 900. Right? So that's why we should take 1300 minus 400. Now we can take x plus 3y is equal to 1300 and after that x is 400. What is the value of x? X is 400 we have taken here. X plus 3y is equal to 1300. This plus 400 if I transpose this side, that is 1300 minus 400. After that, so y is equal to 13 minus 1300 minus 400, that is 900. And divided by product value, if I transpose this down, 3 1 are 3, 3 are 9, and 3 0 are 0, and 3 0 are 0. And y is equal to, we got 300. We got the value of y is, that second y is, x is taken 400. And transpose that one, 3 1 are 3, 3 are 9, and 0 0. And y is also we got, that is 300. Now I should take 700, no problem. So 13 minus 7 is how much? 13 minus 7 is 6, right? We can substitute by 3, right? X plus 3y is equal to 1300 and 700 plus 3y is equal to 1300. Now here 3y is equal to 1300 plus 700 if I transpose this side minus 700. After that 3y is y is equal to 1300 minus 700 is 600. Divided by product value is 3. 3 1 are 3 2 are 6, 3 0 are 0 and 3 0 are 0 cancel. Y is equal to we got that is 200. I can keep. What is the value of x? What is the value of x we have taken here? 700. 700. What is the value of y we got? That is 200. This is the second table also we got. Now we have to draw the graph, right? Now we are taken the value, maximum value beginning start from both sides, you see, from starting from 100, small numbers will start 100, maximum is 900 in x-axis. I have taken the graph, it ended in 100, 200 like that up to that 900. Similarly the y-axis also maximum is 600 and maximum is here 700. Maximum is 600 in the y-axis, 100, 200 like that I have taken here to 800, no problem. And the minus value is not there, only I took few values, minus 100, minus 200, minus 300, here also minus 100, y-axis also, there is no positive value. First I will take this part. First, 100, x is 100, x is 100, y is 600, y is 600, see. X is 100 and y is 600, right? And similarly x is 900, x is 900 and y is 200, see. See here, 900, right? And another one is x is 700, x is 700 and y is 300, y is 300, you see. This is okay, this is the 700 and 300. After that, we have to put the scale, but I don't have a scale here to the length of the board. According to this, sorry. is I have done. I should write the points also. X is, here X is 100 and Y is 400, sorry, Y is 600. Right, first value. Second value, X is 900, X is here 700 and 300. 700 and 300 and this X is 900, X is 900 and Y is 200. I have wrote here. Now I am going to explain the second graph. Second graph, what is it? X plus 3y. X plus 3y is equal to 1300 will be there. The first X is 100. X is 100 and Y is 400. See, 100 and 400. Next, X is 400. X is 400 and Y is 300 here. It should come here. X is 400 and Y is 300. And X is 700. X is 700 and Y is 200 here. X is 700 and Y is 200 will come. Now I should draw the line. I should draw the line. Like that it should come. So, like it should come straight. The line should come like that. Understood? So first point is X is 100 and Y is 400. 400. Second point, this is X is 300, 200, 400. X is 400 and Y is 300. That is 300. And here X is 700 and Y is 200. This is the second graph we have done exactly. That is the value we are taken in the graph. I will draw properly. The line should not draw here in between. Just for explanation I will put that lines. Okay. Okay, got it understood? This is the two tables and the two graph lines should come here. Like that the line should go. Understood? Now note it down. Or I will send that notes. On the graph line, we have to write the both equation. This is first equation for the first graph, second equation for second graph line. Okay.